Hey, I'm a clown, and I talk weird, and if you've watched this video, you'll probably have noticed that I talk like a retard. So, if you want more, please subscribe and leave comments. So, I'm a retard basically. I'm stupid. I don't like clowns even though I am one. So, watch this. Ta-da! Hee. Ta-da! Hee. What else could I do for you? Maybe I could do this. Like that? Or this? Woohoo! I'm so stupid. I'm retarded. Ain't I? I'm so stupid. Everyone's laughing at me. Oh my god, why are you laughing at me? Stop laughing. Well, I'm a retard, so I'm gonna do some retard stuff, so bye.